Hey guys, thought I'd do a quick video here of some unboxing of some new goods that I got from Mint Builder. I have actually earned these, and so I wanted to show you. I didn't have to pay anything for these thanks to this opportunity with Mint Builder. First one, PF70 Ultra Cameo Magnolia Exotic Butterfly. Beautiful 3D butterfly. So I'm going to move through these pretty quick, but of course doing this one-handed is never all that easy. I have got this Lion Dollar Restrike 2017. Comes in its nice new case. Beautiful, beautiful coin. Also a PF70 certificate of authenticity. The number struck, as well as 1600s Renaissance style world map came with it. Pretty neat little addition. Definitely going to be a collector's item. Have no doubt about that. So move on to the In Plein Air, the 2017 Canadian $20 coin. This is actually got a color graph on it. So beautiful. As you can see, it's significantly larger than the other cases, since it is a significantly larger coin. Beautiful, beautiful coin. And the one I was most excited to receive in the mail, this thing feels like it is 10 pounds, but it is really a 10-ounce coin. Limited edition PF70 Ultra Cameo, 750 run of the koala with the Australian $10. This thing is beautiful. Substantially thicker in case than the In Plein Air is. But these are just a few of the beautiful items available through Mint Builder. And if you start your own business now, you will have wholesale cost available to you in your own store. Along with that is my monthly coin that I just received, which is already a collectible, 2016 China Panda. It is an MS70 grade, one of first 30,000 struck. So just thought I'd show you guys some of the possibilities of some of the really neat items that are going to go up exponentially in value over the next 10, 20, 30 years, as well as golden bullion or silver bullion as well that we have access to through our Mint Builder shop. And if you click the link below, you too will also be able to join my team, and we can go ahead and build a mint together.